How Living Things Adapt, written by Karen Lachana Kenny. Arctic fox in winter. Arctic fox in summer. Some animals and plants seem made for where they live. Just look at the Arctic fox. This fox has brown fur in the summer and white fur in the winter. Its fur changes with the seasons to be the same color as the ground. This makes it hard for other animals to find the fox and keeps it safe. How can the fox change color? It adapts or changes over time to help it live in the Arctic. An adaptation often begins as one small change. Imagine a group of monkeys that live in trees. They use their hands and feet to climb the trees and swing in the branches. Then one monkey is born with a tail that is very strong. The tail ends up helping the monkey. It uses its tail to climb trees faster and stay out of danger. It lives longer than the other monkeys and has babies. The babies have strong tails too. The change is passed on to the next group of babies and the next. Soon, more monkeys are born with tails. Over many years, the change becomes an adaptation in the monkeys. Monkey tails. This diagram shows how a helpful change might be passed on over time and become an adaptation. Plants can change in this way as well. Imagine a plant that has yellow flowers. Then it grows a red flower. Bees and butterflies like the red flower because it stands out more. They drink the red flower's sweet nectar. Its pollen sticks to their bodies and they spread the pollen to other flowers. Then these flowers make seeds that grow new plants. These plants can make more red flowers. The change helps the plants. More bees and butterflies feed from them, and the plants are able to make more seeds. A butterfly sits on a red flower. Good or bad? Plants and animals can change in many different ways. Helpful changes become adaptations. However, small changes can also hurt a plant or animal. A change might make an animal a different color. The new color might make it harder to hide from other animals. Other changes do not make a big difference for the plant or animal. They are not good or bad. An animal's eyes might be two different colors. It's a change, but the animal can still live in the same way. Most hedgehogs are brown. This one is white. It has a hard time hiding in leaves and dirt. Plants and animals have adapted in many ways over time. Birds changed to have sharp, pointed bills that help them to break open seeds to get more food to eat. Dolphins changed to have fins and smooth skin that help them swim fast. Desert plants grew thick stems and leaves that hold water so they could live in dry places. These plants can live in places that don't get a lot of rain. In the Arctic, animals changed so they could live in the cold. Bowhead whales have more blubber, or fat, than other whales. The thick blubber is like a blanket that keeps the whales warm in the cold Arctic Ocean. Polar bears adapted to stay warm too. They have thick fat and thick hair. The hair keeps water out so they stay warm and dry. Adaptations help animals and plants live longer. They pass on the changes to their young, and the changes become common. Changes that started in one plant or animal later became helpful to many more plants and animals. A bowhead whale swims in the Arctic Ocean.